Hello and welcome back to another video with Coinwire. In this video, I'll be showing you the best Binance referral code for 2024 for you to get a guaranteed $100 and a 20% discount on spot futures margin of the market for life. Let's go. Okay. Things might change in the future, but right now in 2024, this is the best referral code for Binance that you can get to get 20% off of your trading fees and $100 guaranteed if you are a new user. So let me show you. First, this is the Binance new user zone where you as a new user can get $100 worth of welcome rewards as a Binance Explorer. But keep in mind, you have to be in eligible countries in order for this code to work. If you are a US customer, for example, I don't think this will work. There will be different programs, different campaigns, and different events applying to you. If you scroll down to the welcome rewards, you can see that there are 3 simple tasks that you need to complete in order to earn $100. The first task is to verify your identity as a new user. That way you can earn 20 USD worth in trading fee rebates. That is very simple. You can click on the rules to learn more. The second task is the first deposit. To earn 30 USD worth in trading fee rebates, you either have to deposit or buy crypto worth at least $10. That's only $10 of your money and you get $30 back in trading fee rebates. Marvelous. And the last task is the 50 USD task, the first trade. You need to trade crypto worth at least $10 to earn 50 USD in trading fee rebates. As you can see, Binance is the biggest exchange right now in the world with over 50% in dominance, and they are rolling out all these different great, amazing incentives for you as a new user to trade. All you have to do is to use our referral code as a new user and then complete all 3 different tasks to get $100. That's very simple. You only need to spend at least $10. But that's not all. I told you there will be an additional 20% discount for life across all spot, futures, margin markets, and I mean it. If you look at my screen, that you would see that if you use our referral code, you would receive a 20% discount right here for life. Binance actually gave us 2 options to choose as our referral rewards. The first option is the 20% discount that I mentioned, and the second option is the straight up $100 USDT in trading fee credit. Now, other people, they would say that you would get both rewards if you use their referral link, but I'm gonna be very transparent because I don't want to lie to you. You can only get one, okay? You can either get the 100 USDT trading fee credit or you can get the 20% discounts for life. But we decided that the 20% discount is much more profitable in the long term if you are trading frequently on Binance. So we decided to go with the 20% discount instead of the normal referral that gives you only $100 in trading fee. In order to use our Binance referral code, it's very simple. You need a Binance account as a new user and you just need to apply our referral code in. Here are the step-by-step guide. First step is to click on sign up or log in. So just click on sign up and just fill in your email. I'm going to use my junk email and then click agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on next. After that, Binance will send you a confirmation code. So go to that email and paste the code in. I'm not going to show you the code, obviously. So let's move on to the next step. Okay, create a password. This should be easy. Now, this part is the most crucial part. If you want to receive the Binance bonuses and rewards, you have to select yes to the question, do you have an inviter? Yes, and then copy the referral ID link in the description and in the comments. Make sure to copy the exact referral ID that we put in the comment and description for Binance and then paste it in this bracket right here. If you make it to this part right here after using our referral ID, then you are done. Enjoy your benefits and your trading fee discounts. The last step is to KYC. Obviously, it's the same with any exchanges. Don't be alarmed. This is a way for Binance to protect you as a user. So just go ahead and complete your KYC, deposit your money in, start trading, and have fun. And that's my short video showing you the best Binance referral code for 2024 where you can get 20% discount of all your trading fees for life and $100 in trading fee rebates. So make sure to use our referral code on the screen or in the description, in the comments, and thank you very much for watching this video. Daily out.